Should I be sad? Should I be happy? Should I be excited? I don't know how I feel right now, but Miss Candy Judge Nwachukwu. Yep, and I'm happy to have you right here riding with your baby girl. Thank you. Welcome.
To tell you I love you. Deep in my heart, I've been searching for ways to show you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Is the word welcome back when you what do you see after you've taken a very long break? Anyways, I'm actually doing a very risky shoot right now. I'm shooting with the back of my camera. I can't even see what is going on because I'm just hoping that I've done a very I have a very good shot at the end of the day. Of course, if you are saying this, you know I eventually got a good shot. So this is 2 years after, right? And grateful to God for keeping me and my family members, some of my family members anyways. It's been 2 years. I just feel that it is only right, to give a quick life update as to what has been happening, why the silence, and a lot of brouhaha that has gone wrong. A lot of things that have led to me being offline for the past 2 years. Starting my YouTube channel, the intention was to record back to back based on the fact that a lot of things are going on that actually could have been an interesting content to bring and to put out. That would have been an interesting content to put out there. This is really not how I anticipated our meeting. So I got pregnant and I was trying to go off air such that I would come back with a banger. You know what I mean? A lot of content during my preggo days, how a lot of people have helped me, how something like that. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. However, that short break ended up becoming something that took 2 years now, right? So what happened? 2021, yes, I traveled, got back from a trip, and within a very short space of 2 months, between July and what am I saying? That did not take up to 2 weeks, right? My mother-in-law got sick. Long story short, she died. That experience took myself and my husband aback because it was not the kind of scenario we had envisaged in a very short, that fast. She was sick. We were expecting her to get back. In fact, we are all hopeful to say that we're very hopeful in terms of because sickness comes and goes, but this one came and took her life. For somebody who was pregnant, I was already enjoying her. I won't lie to you. I had the best mother-in-law. She had planned my life around her, if that's the word. I'm expecting a child. I was expecting a child, knowing fully well that somebody more mature. How we like moms to be around us to take care of the baby, the fact that I have a work to go back to, and the fact that I don't have to think of going to crèche or even having to be worried about a stranger being with my child. And we planned all those things thinking that it was going to be that smooth. Trying to pick up was something that was not that easy. That went. Another experience was my husband falling sick. A lot of things happened while I was pregnant. I was placed on rest, because my baby was trying to come out also prematurely. So many things that couldn't, I couldn't even, how do you start recording that? How do you start recording things like that? How do you start carrying people along on such experiences? I think that being alive to even be able to say it now means something. It means that there is hope, and I'm grateful for that. Rest in perfect peace. 1 year and some months later, the story is different because God actually came through. Fast forward to 2022, July. In August again, we lost my sister-in-law. Another person that was my go-to person, she was my go-to in terms of, this and this is what I want to do. Someone that I could just fall back to say and explain things to, and she would see it. Of course, she also has the key to my husband's, not mumu button, correction button, that's the word. And that one too, that also affected me. I'm sharing this one-on-one. Hopefully, when I look back, I will be able to say that I gathered the courage to talk about this. That also happened, and solace in the fact that they are resting. So yes, guys, away from that, I can also say that God gave us a gift. My son came, handsome boy. God's gifts, the evidence of God's love to us. The naming ceremony content actually went with my phone. I couldn't even put something together. My baby is 1+, you see. I was able to vlog something from the birthday, so expect that video. I just want you to know that yes, now that I am back, I'm back by the grace of God to deliver content. And I am anticipating your support. I am anticipating your love. Like, share, subscribe, comment, engage this post. Engage on my post, support me, encourage me, because I want to do this YouTube. I really want to, and I want to, put up as many content about as many things as possible, share and discuss. So guys, like, share, comment. If you don't do all these things now, what are you doing? What are you doing? Please like, comment, share, everything. Expect content back to back. I think I was doing weekly. So as many content that I have, I'm going to keep dropping them. I promise to be intentional about what I bring to you. Actually, series of videos on how to, carry out a pot wedding in Nigeria, and I promise to share that video. This was just to, quickly fill in on what has been going on in just a life update. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for watching till now. So that, if you are seeing this end closing, it means you watched till the end, or maybe you fast forwarded. Anyways, you're with me till now. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying back. Thank you for not unsubscribing even during those days. Thank you. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So